Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Station2Station. Let's take a look at how you can use the literature Wonders Anthology. So the literature anthology that comes with Wonders, this is the 5th grade version. So whatever grade you're teaching, your cover is probably going to look a little bit different. Now, you can use any of the stories in your literature anthology. There's lots of different genres in there, and they all will work for a Station2Station, but I'm going to show you how I used this last year. So there was different persuasive articles in the 5th grade literature anthology. As you can see, you see the case of the missing bees. Now, the essential question for that week was, how do natural events and human activities affect the environment? So your essential question is really going to be the overarching theme for your Station2Station. Students are really going to be focusing on looking for lots of text evidence with this. So then after students read one of the persuasive articles, there was a second view also on how the honeybee colonies were affected by natural events and human activities. So students would get into pairs and do a mini cyber sandwich. So they're basically reading and taking notes on 2 different views, 2 different persuasive articles. And then they are comparing and contrasting their notes. Basically, a mini cyber sandwich is a modern take on just your Venn diagram. So students will be using these notes for their Station2Station the next day. So they're going to be reading in the literature Wonders anthology, then doing a mini cyber sandwich with a partner, and then comparing and contrasting their notes. Now, this mini cyber sandwich, typically the third part to it is they would be doing some summarizing, but they're not going to summarize. Instead, that's going to be where they're going to be generating those different work products when they do their Station2Station the next day. So basically we're looking at 3 to 4 Marzanos here, right? This is a high yield instructional strategy. Basically, Marzano says that identifying similarities and differences is a super effective strategy for deepening students' understanding. So this worked really well with this particular pedagogy. So stay tuned for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.